Hello and welcome to my channel. This video is a tutorial on how to make your own double whipped body butter. And to do this, you only need three ingredients: raw unrefined shea butter, avocado oil, and an essential oil. Melt your shea butter and add your avocado oil. Keep it on the heat until both are fully melted. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Once everything is melted, put it on a mixer. I have a stand mixer, but you can also use a handheld mixer. Mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes to incorporate some air into the butter. After about 2 to 3 minutes of mixing, cover and refrigerate for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. In this case, I placed my butter in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. After a few minutes, this will be the texture. You can wait until it solidifies a little bit more, but this is pretty good enough for me to work with. As you can see, it's a little thicker on the bottom, but still pretty liquid on the top. We are going to whip for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Remember to scrape your bowl down after every 5 to 10 minutes. I am adding my essential oils here. Make sure you add your essential oils once your butter has cooled down. This allows your butter to retain that fragrance and the power of the essential oils. After a few minutes of whipping, make sure to scrape your bowl down so you can get all of the product, and continue to whip it some more. As you can see here, the texture is getting thicker and more luscious and more creamy. This is a beautiful texture. You can choose to stop once your butter is this texture, but I like to give it one more whip to ensure that it is rich, thick, and creamy enough to be applied smoothly on the skin. As you can see, it's looking more like whipped cream, and this is a texture that's perfect for me. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you watch part 2 of this video where I show you how to apply this product into your containers or jars to give your friends, to give to family, or to use in your home. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.